Hey there, Treviso Bay fans. Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property here at Treviso Bay. Today we're going to be previewing our new listing in Giaveno, Unit 1412. This is one of the Bellini units with golf included. Just over 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath with a great room design. As you walk into this condo, directly on the left-hand side is the master suite, big enough for a king-size bed. You have the his and her closet set up here. And then in your bathroom, you have the standalone shower. Now coming back into the entryway here, across the master, you have your guest bath. So you see here, with your combination tub and shower. And right off of that, you have the guest bedroom here. And this one has a bifold closet as opposed to your walk-in style. Here in the hallway also, this closet that you're seeing right there, that's where your AC is housed. And then directly across from that is your laundry area here with washer and dryer and some additional shelving for storage. And then this all opens up into the great room here, directly to the right before the kitchen. You have this flex space here that can be used as a sitting area like you see here, or formal dining space. And then you come into the kitchen here. You have a full stainless appliance package, granite countertops, wood cabinets. You have your eat-in kitchen area here that overlooks a beautiful lake view. And the kitchen here overlooks the entire great room area, which is really nice for entertaining. One of the nicest things about this condo here is the view. Building 14 is arguably the best building in Giaveno. Reason for that is you have unobstructed views of the lake, and this is the biggest lake here in Giaveno, the preserve. And you're really not seeing other buildings directly next to you at all. And one other thing to consider is the sunset is going to be right here in this area, right here in the corner. So you're going to have beautiful sunset views here with this condo. Again, this is Roberto with Pinnacle Property Group here at Treviso Bay. This is our newest listing in Giaveno, Unit 1412. Available for sale now. You can find all the contact info you need directly below in the comments. You can reach me at roberto@trevisobayatnaples.com or call 239-671-4046. For all the latest and greatest information about Treviso Bay, visit trevisobayatnaples.com. We'll talk to you soon, guys.